Hi everyone! In this video we will solve an equation with variables and constants on both sides. Solve 3n plus 10 equals 6n minus 17. Our goal is to combine all of the terms with variables on one side of the equation and all of the terms or constants without a variable on the other side of the equation. Since we have terms with variables on both sides and terms that are just constants on both sides, it doesn't matter which side we pick. It'll be the same number of steps either way. So let's just move all of the variables to the left side, just because, and it doesn't matter, we can pick either one. To move all the variables to the left side, that means I need to move the 6n. And since the 6n is a positive 6n, to negate the positive, we subtract 6n. Now, it might be kind of tricky seeing this subtraction sign here, but remember that subtraction sign is in front of the 17. Not in front of the 6. So because the 6 is positive, we need to subtract 6n. But we have to do it to both sides to keep the equal sign balanced. Positive 6n minus 6n cancels out, and we're left with negative 17 on the right side of the equal sign. Now we can combine like terms on the left side, and we get 3n minus 6n, which is negative 3n plus 10. Now that we've combined the terms with variables, we'll need to move everything without a variable, or the constants, to the other side. To do that, I have a plus 10 that needs to move from the left side to the right side. The opposite to negate that will be subtracting 10 from both sides to keep it balanced. Positive 10 minus 10 cancels, so we're left with negative 3n. Negative 17 minus 10 gives us negative 27. And now we're really close to isolating our variable. So we have negative 3 times n. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to negate the multiplication by negative 3, we will divide by negative 3 on both sides. Negative 3 divided by negative 3 cancels. So we're left with n equals negative 27 divided by negative 3. A negative divided by negative is positive, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. So our answer is n equals 9. However, we should always double check this by checking our answer, substituting it back into the original equation. We have 3n plus 10 equals 6n minus 17. And we'll substitute our 9 for every time we see the variable n. So we have 3 times 9 plus 10 equals 6 times 9 minus 17. Using the order of operations, we must multiply first. 3 times 9 is 27, and 6 times 9 is 54. Now we can go ahead and add and subtract. 27 plus 10 is 37, and 54 minus 17 in my calculator also gives me 37. So this checks. That means the number we substituted in for the variable of 9 holds true to be the answer or solution to the equation. So n equals 9, and we're all done.